Doesn't that plant look happy and lovely up there? I'm going to show you how to mount a hanging basket to a wall, just like this. For this project, you will need a screw gun with a drill bit, some anchors, screws, your bracket, and a hammer. Always comes in handy. So one of the first steps is to hold up the whole plant and see where you want it. Test out the placement and ask your wife if she likes where it is. How's that?
Perfect.
All right. So now you know where we're going to hang it. We're going to take a pencil and mark the holes that we're going to pre-drill. Right there. I highly doubt there's actually a stud exactly where we're going to be drilling into. We're going to use some drywall anchors to hold the screw nice and secure. Make sure that the drill bit isn't too much wider than the anchor, or else kind of render that whole thing useless. So let's go with this guy. Also, there's a bunch of drywall dust on there from previous projects, so I'm pretty sure this is the one I normally use. If I was a pro, I'd probably be using a ladder or some sort of nice stable thing to climb on and not do all this work over a piano. But like I said, I'm not a pro, so let's get drilling. Here's our lovely hole. Anchor fits pretty well. One down, one to go. Actually, before I drill the second hole, I'm going to put this up on the first hole. Make sure that our original holes were where they should be, and we'll make a correction here. And if you're like super OCD, you could actually take a level and make sure that this is straight. But I'm just eyeballing it. That looks good, but I'm going to mark a new hole here to pre-drill. All right, moment of truth. Both anchors are in the wall. We'll put this guy on the first screw. Oh, perfect. Lines up perfectly. So we'll tighten that first screw down first, and then we'll get this guy in there, and that is that. Nice and sturdy. All that's left to do is hang the plant, do a little cleanup, and check on your kids, because I think one of them kicked the other one in the face. So there you go. That is how you hang a hanging plant on a wall. For a little finishing touch, you could take some white paint and paint the screw heads so the little silver screw heads don't stand out as much. But yeah, that's it. It's pretty simple. Hopefully this was helpful. And just on the off chance that you stumbled upon this video because you were looking up how to hang a plant for your home office because you are recently self-employed or you're taking your freelance gig to the next level, you might want to check out my other channel, Self-Employment Sidekick, where I have some more resources specifically for potential or newly self-employed people making the transition from employment to running their own business. Just a little shameless plug for that. Anyways, I hope this was helpful and that you enjoy the fresh oxygen from your new happy wall-mounted houseplant.